na kung saan ito ay mayroong tinatawag na stem cell therapy, DNA therapy, at the same time, anti-inflammatory therapy. Pakinggan natin yung interview kay Dr. Francis D. Cangchon ng NIP Channel 25, no?
Nanonood at nakikinig, hindi alam ano ba yung stem cell. Ano ang stem cell therapy? Paano yan nakakatulong? Kamukha nga dito, grabe. Very severe itong kaso. Dito sa amin talagang brain tumor and all that. We go down to the basics para lang they have a firmer grasp of what we're talking about.
Okay, ang stem cell therapy is a method of therapy where you regenerate, okay, new healthy cells, repair and rejuvenate and regenerate damaged cells. No? Doon sa mga hindi nakakaintindi masyado, I like to put it in its proper perspective. For example, at birth, pinanganak ka, you have a lot of stem cells, almost 100% stem cells. And this will proceed to become bone cells, muscle cells, kaya tayo lumalaki. No? We grow taller. And typically, pag tayo ay nasugatan, for example, no, yung sugat natin, the body calls these stem cells to go to that wound. No? Now, stem cells act on it, nagkakaroon ng scarring. This is stem cells. No? Then, you have bone fractures. The body calls the stem cells to produce osteocytes or bone cells to repair the fracture. Muscle tears, okay? So, andun yun. This plays all the way until we age and age. And as you know, when we age, there are studies to show that at age 35 years old, we only have 50% of our stem cells.
Oh, 35.
35.
Age 35.
At age 60 years old, 90% of our stem cells are almost gone.
What? Sa akin yun. Ako 61 na ako. Parang 90% ng stem cells ko. Sige, maraming salamat po.
Yes. And so, obviously, as we age, we have lesser stem cells.
Yes.
Lesser stem cells means you age faster. And the older we get, the lesser stem cells and the poorer our healing will be. No? Mas matagal. So, definitely, we need something to replenish our.
So ayan kaibigan, no? Yun po yung mga dahilan kung bakit kailangan natin uminom ng stem cell or elixir placenta, no? Tara, samahan niyo ako, iinom ako ngayon, no? Dahil ito ay ginagamit ko hindi lang sa aking blood sugar, no? Kundi pati sa aking karamdaman sa buto. Ayan. So ito yung ating ginagamit. Araw-araw umiinom ako, no? Pero sinasabayan ko pa rin ng spirulina at saka ganoderma. Ayan. So, ito po yan.
Yan po siya guys, tingnan niyo po.
Ito po yung kaibigan, no? So, ito po yung ating stem cell. Ayan.
Mga kapatid.
Elixir placenta. Iinom tayo. Kung ikaw ay mayroon ding karamdaman na gusto mong mawala na, ito na ang solusyon, kaibigan. Okay?
Sabi ng totoo. Kamot niyan.
So, ngayon na yung pagkakataon para masubukan mo yung ganitong klase ng gamutan, no? Yung gagamit tayo ng alternatibong paraan na hindi makakadamage ng ating mga cells. Okay?
Yan po mga kapatid.